Assalamualaikum प्यारीज, I hope you all doing well. I received thousands of messages from you guys. Where is Waleed bhai? Why is he not in your videos? So your bhai is in Pakistan from the last 4 to 5 days. Yes, because he had to go due to his father condition. He's not well, and please do pray for him. May Allah grant him a speedy recovery. I also wanted to go, but I don't have my passport. Yes, जो सारा प्रोसीजर होता है उसमें एम्बेसी के पास है. सो आई एम हेयर डूइंग ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ विच वी हैव टू बी डन हेयर, लाइक मीटिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट. एंड बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे थे आपकी, वाई यू आर सैड एंड वाई यू आर नॉट स्माइलिंग लाइक बिफोर. सो या, दिस इज़ द रीज़न.
When negative things happen in your lives, sometimes it's the beginning of some really nice things that are about to happen in your life. Remember this. You lost your job. Perhaps Allah wanted you to open a company that might become